Okay, we're here on Albert Street. We're doing a house here. As you can see, it's probably about no, it's about 45 feet that we're going to be pulling this new high-density polyethylene pipe in. The customer has a water leak, so we're replacing everything while we're in there, the sewer and the water. You can see the edge of the house here is, it's about 60 feet from the curb box. And it goes in right under here. Okay, we've dug down to the sewer line. You can see it there. Oh, I see there's a city side clean out here that wasn't on the city records. Okay, everything's in and connected. Okay, there's the finished product. No more water leak. And the backflow valve's in there.